West Prospect Avenue.
So we're going to the beach, and we came to Marshall's to get some swim trunks. Instead of driving all the way back to the Airbnb and then coming back out here, we just came to Marshall's. He's over there intensely shopping. So we just left the zoo. That was a lot of fun. We wasn't able to do the other thing I wanted to do, but instead we're gonna go to the beach. So that's fun. Where you at over here? Okay, so I got caught up in Marshall's getting the, look, I got a snorkel. So now I'm thinking about getting a whole bunch of stuff for like outside, so. Oh, and I got some swim shorts.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys, so Marshall's had me messed up. They was trying to charge me $40 for some waters, some swim trunks, and a snorkeler. So I said, no, take all that back. And I got the swim trunks, but now we are at the most expensive store in the world. And I am here to get a snorkeler and whatever swim stuff we can get. Y'all, when Target gets so progressive, now they got weave. You need some?
Yeah.
A ponytail? They do call me a cowboy. What'd you say? Oh, it's only if you still got it. Go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, shit. You do got it. You definitely still got it. Now keep going. You're only 20 seconds in. You can keep going. Let's give it a whole minute. A whole minute. I got you. You ain't even gonna know. Matter of fact, keep going. You let it fall, you loser. Oh no, you're still going. Oh, I didn't know you could turn around. I didn't know you knew tricks and stuff. Can you walk? So you know how I told you that the snorkeling thing at Marshall's would equal up to like $40. So we came to Target.
35.
This one was 35. So he's gonna buy that one. Cause it wouldn't not make sense if I would have bought it, but then I'm gonna get him this. He can't swim. He can swim so well.
He can't swim. I heard you couldn't whisper.
I didn't say that. I said I got him this. He can't swim. All right, you guys, so we are now on the way to the beach. Show your shorts. Let me show mine. Ooh, I just farted. Oh, I mean, excuse me.
Yeah, I smell it.
No, oh, yeah, you do. Oh. It don't smell that bad, though. But we are on our way to, look at my sponge. I don't know how to pop the trunk. Hold on. Oh, shit, I'm unlocking the door. So, then here you come harassing me. So we're on our way to go swimming. We're going swimming. We're going swimming. That was terrible. Okay, bye. All right, y'all. Check out the fit. Check out the beach fit. Check out the fit. Show your shorts.
Fit check.
Show your shorts. Show.
Wherever they be saying.
Yeah, look. I got my SpongeBob on. We at the beach.
I feel all exposed.
You feel exposed? Without underwear on? Oh, I always let it hang out loose, not just like. Let's go to a place that's chill.
No, my nephew.
Oh, and it's good right here because the lifeguard right there, so he'll see if somebody's still like shit.
My nephew has a set because he had asthma, so when he took pool class, he couldn't like, I don't know. They like recommended that he like use like stuff.
About the lifeguard?
I ain't going that far in the water, so I was gonna take my phone and hold it in my hand.
Oh, okay. Boy, if you don't put that shit. But why would you say I wouldn't have stood there though that long.
Because I want to kick out.
Well, good thing we weren't the same person. Tell y'all, so we got kicked out the water because people kept going to. So now they doing a safety check. Made us all get out the water for a safety check. People don't want to listen. And I didn't even get to snorkel. You know how hard it was to get him in the water the first time? I don't know. He got get in the second time. Here, take a picture. Oh, here, can you get this thing out? Oh, I can take it out. I forgot. Hold on. All right, y'all. So we about to leave. Oh, we about to leave the beach. Oh, yeah, I'll take a picture. Nice little tan. Oh, I did. I got sand everywhere. Should I rinse off? Oh, we about to get in the water. Okay, we about to get back in. Wait, were we getting in? He wrote my name. Here, hold it. He said it's on. I was going to be funny, but I'm not.
It's only 7 letters.
There you go. It starts off very little. You ain't even get it.
I did get it.
You can't even see it. Alright, y'all, we decided we're gonna leave to go get some food. Golden Corral's closed at 9 and we already 30 minutes out, so we'll see y'all at Golden Corral. This is your first time at Golden Corral, yes?
Yes.
What do you think it'll be like?
Like Ponderosa.
Okay, that's a good guess. Ponderosa is good. All right, so let's see.
R.I.P. Ponderosa.
R.I.P. Ponderosa. This plate look all cute. That plate look gangster. Forks, I mean, ice cream is meant to be eaten with a fork. Look how you look with the sun right there. All right, you guys, we are at a hookah bar. Say what's up.
Hey.
We at a hookah bar, y'all.
It's called Arabica.
Arabica. It's either too far or too loud. Cheers. What are we cheering to? Cheers to memories. What's your cheers?
Cheers to good times and good vibes.
Good times and good vibes. And some good ass. You got what? Strong. I got a sex on the beach. What you get?
You like the gravy?
Mm-hmm. It's good. Thank you. What you get?
Tiki punch.
Oh, tiki. Tiki taki.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
How y'all doing?
Good. How's it going?
I ain't do it.
I think you gotta hit it harder.
I gotta actually stuff.
Yeah, you gotta actually first. You know what to do.
Came on my nose. I don't want to. It looked like a bull. I tasted it.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. Just got. He in his skippies, y'all. He in his skippies.
They are skippy.
They are skippy. We just came back from the Hookah Lounge. I don't know if I told y'all we went to Hookah. I know I went live on YouTube, but we just came back from Hookah. Now, how was your day today?
Oh, I thought you were asking them.
No, you. How was your
I
day?
had fun.
What did you do?
I went to the zoo.
Ooh, the zoo is
Pet
fun.
a tiger in my head.
You pet a tiger in your head. He told me to go in there and kidnap it. He was like, go get that tiger for me. But okay, day 1 is over. See you guys tomorrow.
Starts and goes, but when it doesn't.
Here is the best part of the trip. No, not the pizza. It's subscribing to your own YouTube from the Airbnb. You need to subscribe.